Hello, my name is Leslie Pittenger. I'm an OSU Washington County Master Gardener volunteer, and I'm going to talk to you today in our quarantine gardening series about the birds and the bees, but mostly the birds today. So as you can see, I'm in my yard, quarantined like the rest of us in Ohio, keeping a safe social distance from everybody, working alone. I am going to be showing you some of the things in my yard. One thing about people that love a garden, love plants, they also love the birds and the bees that come with them. So I'm going to show you a few things from my yard. This is my favorite bird feeder. It is spring actioned, so you can set the lever here for different weights of birds. This allows only the smaller birds to get on here. It'll allow cardinals, finches, other smaller birds. It won't let the blue jays, the grackles, the starlings eat all your food. So I love that bird feeder. All right. One of the important things about having a space for birds is places for them to perch. So you can see I have different little pieces of yard art here where they can perch. Also, water. They need a water source. So this is a bird bath, and it looks like rock, but it's really a plastic thing with like sand on the outside to give it a rough texture. It's not very deep, but boy oh boy do the birds love it. Robins have been having a heyday taking a bath in there. To clean it, I just scrub it real quick with a brush and fill it back up with water. So let me show you a couple other things. Today I had my first Baltimore Oriole. Oh, there's my gardening helper, Izzy. So Baltimore Orioles love sweet things. So on my feeder here, which is the exact same color as an Oriole, is an orange slice on both sides. And then in the little cup, I have the middle of the orange with some grape jelly. Let me show you the grape jelly that they like. They like this birdberry jelly. It is specially done for birds. You can see it's made in the USA, added bonus. You can get this at your local garden centers, and they love it. Also, some of the other birds like it too. So in this little feeder, I've got mealworms. Dried mealworms are great for robins and cardinals and anybody that likes bugs. And actually all the birds like the bugs, just some of them more than others. And then this little feeder is a soot feeder. You're thinking, there's a soot feeder right there. I had this bad boy filled up, and the starlings ate my soot in a day and made a mess. So I invested in this one. The cool thing about it is the top comes off. That's how you get your soot in. And then the birds have to go underneath it to eat. Well, the bigger birds, the grackles and the starlings, they don't like to hang upside down. So they won't come to this feeder. I have had a woodpecker every day for the last week come to this bird feeder, hang on the bottom and eat it. Also the little finches and the other little birds, they also like to use it. So this Nature's Way, you can order it online, and some of our garden centers have it, but it's also an Ohio company, which is an added bonus. So as you can see in my little side yard, I've got my pollinator bed, which is full of perennials that will bloom and bring the bees, but I also entice the birds to come and visit me with places to sit, a swing, things to eat, and more seeds. And then you'll see on the ground here, there's lots of seeds here. So the bigger birds, the mourning doves, and those guys, they will still come and get theirs. Flapping over there in the wind is my feeder for thistle, and you can see the one side that's flapping in the wind. They really loved that seed, so I've got to replenish that. But anyway, for all of you that love plants and love flowers, the birds are an extra added bonus. So breakfast with the birds. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this segment of The Birds and the Bees.